Most stories have a structure to them. This is called plot. Plot is the layout of the story. It always has a beginning, it always has a middle, and it always has an end. The beginning is the characters facing a problem. So usually in the beginning of the story, someone has a problem. In the middle is made up events that the characters try to solve the problem. So when we're talking about fantasy, this is usually when the characters try magic to solve their problem, or try when the superheroes are flying around town to fight the bad guys. That's the middle of the story. Then the end is where the resolution happens. Resolution means the solution to the problem, where everything gets all better again. This is how the characters solve the problem, and that's always at the end of a good story. You wouldn't tell them at the very beginning what the end of the story is like. I don't want to read a book if I already know how it ends. So that's why at the end is where they tell you how the problem gets solved. That's the fun part, getting to the end, right? So you start at the beginning, and like the roller coaster at the very beginning, you're building up. Then in the middle, you're at the highest point, and then the fun part of the roller coaster where you go down to the end and you find out what the story is about.